Morning class 7. Today we are going to do hydroelectric projects of India. What is hydroelectricity? Hydroelectricity is the electricity that is produced from the water. It is generated from water. One of the most important way in which electricity is generated in India is through the numerous hydroelectricity projects that have been built more or less last 70 years in India, since the time of independence. After independence, there were 5-year plans, and when these 5-year plans were taken up, on one of this 5-year plan, among the number of 5-year plans, one 5-year plan was related to this hydroelectric producing of electricity. It was then when this projects of electricity has been taken up. This electricity, Indian hydroelectricity ranks 4th after China, USA, Russia in the terms of number of dams we have. In our country there are 4,800 dams, large dams, and many more are being built to carry out this hydroelectric project. Some of the important dams of India are Nagarjuna, Damodar, Farakka, Sardar Sarovar Dam, Hydroelectric Dam, Nagarjuna Dam, Idukki Dam. Now Nagarjuna Dam, it is built in the Satluj River in Himachal Pradesh and is the largest dam of India. Then comes the Damodar, which is built on river Damodar. There also which includes number of dams and provides water for irrigation in West Bengal. Then Farakka barrage means dam. It's a type of dam. Small big dams are known as by different names. It is built on the river of Ganga in West Bengal. It supplies water to West Bengal and Bangladesh. Then is Sardar Sarovar Dam, which is built in Narmada, on the river Narmada, and it provides water both to Gujarat and Rajasthan. Hydroelectric Dam, it is built on the river Mahanadi, and it is the largest dam, and it is the longest dam in India. Next, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. This dam is built on river Krishna in the border between Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. As Telangana is a new state now, so it is Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. The dam was basically built in Andhra Pradesh earlier. The Idukki Dam, it is built in Periyar River in Kerala. Now, these are the dams which help us to get electricity. Last topic of this chapter is conservation of energy and power resources. It is quite necessary that we should conserve these resources, because until and unless we conserve the resources, our future generation will not be able to see the things, know the things, and get the things. So it is being announced by the government, NGOs. Every time they come up with a project that we should use other resources apart from the natural resources that we are getting, so that these resources are reserved for the future generation. As we have read out that these resources takes millions of years to create. If we are misusing it, then there will be no resources left, and again for millions of years our future have to wait for these resources. So it's quite necessary for us to use them wisely, so that they are not getting washed away or they are not exhausting from this world. Why it is exhausting? Because the population is growing day by day, and so we have to overuse it. And not only this, we are wasting also. It is therefore important for ways to use non-conventional sources. Powers are there in no danger in being exhausted from lifetime. In our daily life, we need to conserve these resources. There are three practices. That is, use, reuse, recycle, and reduce. If we follow these 3 R's, then our resources will be stored. How? That is, if we use our resources judiciously and conserve them for future generation. For instance, if we don't use coal, instead of that we use solar energy or wind energy, then it will be stored. Like this, there are different parts of reusing things. It should be realized that in our life supporting resources, these are all our life supporting resources, and if we do not use it properly, for instance, to save petrol, we can use carpooling, turn off the lights when we are moving out of the class or rooms. So these are the ways how we can conserve these resources by our side at least, and make let the coming generation get these things and utilize these things also. Thank you.